Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. Today we are going to talk about YouTubers. If you have a running YouTube channel and you have some kind of issue you want to talk to with YouTube team, then I will show you how you can live chat. You can send them email and you can resolve your issue right away. So for this one, you have to log into your YouTube channel, the channel you have an issue on it, then you have to click on right hand corner on the top, you have your channel logo. Just simply click on it, then other menu bar will be dropped. From the menu bar, we are going to click on help. Once you click on help, there's a couple options, and what we are going to choose here, browse all articles. You simply click on the browse all article and it will take you to the Google. So over here we have a couple more options. We are going to click here on right hand corner on the top, it says get support. We are going to click here and then we are going to get creators, and then we are going to click here monetization and AdSense. Over here you will see two options. You have a request chat, you can also email them or they can talk to you as an email. Like email is a little bit longer process, you have to send them an email, then they're gonna reply to you whatever. But the chat, you can direct chat. So here I have a little clip when I was a couple days before I was chatting to them, then I can show you how it look like. So if you're looking for something like that, you want to talk to with YouTube to resolve your issue, that's the way you can talk to with your YouTube team, and they will resolve your issue right away. If not, they will send you confirmation email and they will keep updating status for your channel. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.